Hello. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to swap a token or a crypto to a different crypto or token. So let's get started. So in this tutorial, what I'm gonna be using is my OpenSea account and my MetaMask. So have those two ready, log it in, connect it to your MetaMask, and we're good to go. So first up, why would you wanna swap your token or your crypto to another type of token or crypto? Well, here in OpenSea, when you buy NFTs and assets, you need a specific token or crypto, depending on what asset you want to buy or what NFT. So for example, right now, let's say that I want to buy an asset, an energy asset in Planet IX. So I will go here in my search, right? And I will search up Planet IX, but I don't have to because it's already here. So Planet IX, and then you click assets. If you don't have it yet, you can search it up and then it will pop up. Go to Planet IX assets. And then in this Planet IX asset, I will see all of the different types of assets they have, right? So right now, I want to buy an energy, right? So if I don't see it here, you can just search it up down here. So I will go here and I will, hold on. I will go here and I will search it up, energy, and I will click on it. Hold on. Oh, there we go. There we go. It popped up. So just make sure that there's nothing else over here. It just says energy because sometimes if there's something else in it, it's not gonna pop up. So anyways, it's showing right here. So I'm gonna click on it, right? Click on that. And now it's showing us. So this is what the energy looks like, right? And it costs 0.78 Matic. And before you buy anything in OpenSea, make sure that you have enough like crypto or token in order to buy it. So you can just make sure you have that over here in your wallet. So if you go in your wallet in the top right corner, click on it, shaped like a wallet, you will see the total balance that you have and then the tokens that you have if you have enough. So right now I have 0.0016 Ethereum, and then I have 0.0133 Ethereum in the Polygon Matic chain. So this Ethereum is in the Ethereum network, right? And this one, Ethereum, is in the Ethereum Polygon network. So those are two different Ethereums. This Ethereum Polygon, if you since this wallet in your OpenSea is the same as your wallet in your MetaMask, they're connected, they should have the same asset and the tokens. Like they should contain the same tokens. If you don't see Ethereum in your MetaMask in the Polygon network, it doesn't say Ethereum. It says wrapped Ethereum. So I just want to clear that out if you guys are confused. And then we have Matic, we have Polygon Matic, and we have 1.135. Okay, so from what I can tell, I have more Ethereum. I have more wrapped Ethereum. I have $16.22 worth of wrapped Ethereum. That's in US dollars. And then for Polygon Matic, I only have 96 cents in US dollars. And this energy right here costs 66 US dollars. So since I want to buy 5 of these energy, I want to buy 5 of them, I need more than what I have right now for Polygon Matic. So I need more. So what I can do is that I can swap my wrapped Ethereum right here to Polygon Matic. I can swap them so that I can have enough Polygon Matic to buy this energy. So how do I do that? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to my MetaMask, right? So click on the MetaMask on the top right corner, right? and then go to your assets. And then I just want to show you something. So if you guys can see right here, this is my Ethereum in the Polygon network. This is the wrapped Ethereum that I'm talking about. The wrapped Ethereum that I'm talking about. And this is the Matic that I have. So I wanna swap wrapped Ethereum to Matic. And also it it's also the same process for any other token that you wanna swap. So we're gonna be doing it right now. So go to your MetaMask, right? We're in our MetaMask. And then now we go to swap on MetaMask. So I'm just gonna click on swap, and then we wanna swap it from wrapped Ethereum, right? And how much do we wanna swap? Let's say we wanna swap, um zero, zero point um 0.1 or 0.3. Okay, let's say you wanna swap 0.003 wrapped Ethereum to Matic. So swap from wrapped Ethereum and then swap to Matic. Just click on Matic. So I click on Matic, and now I'm gonna do is click on review swap. Review swap. So for 0.003 wrapped Ethereum, we're gonna get 4.1433 Matic. So I'm happy with that, and now I'm gonna swap it. Swap. So there you go. Now it's swapping from wrapped Ethereum to Matic, and that is how you swap any other token to another token. It's the same procedure, and yeah. Okay, close. So there, you've successfully swapped it, and if you just reload on the page, if you reload on the page, it will update it in your wallet. It will be updated in your wallet. So just click on the top left corner to reload it. Click a circle with an arrow. Now let's go back to our MetaMask and double check if it's completed. And there we go, it's completed. So back then it was just 1 point something Matic. Now it's 5.2677 Matic. So that's good. We have enough Matic. And now it deducted from my wrapped Ethereum. So good. So now that we've successfully swapped my wrapped Ethereum to Polygon Matic, we have enough Matic now. And now we can buy this energy. So let's buy this energy. Let's buy one first. Yeah, let's buy one first because here in OpenSea, when you buy an item, it only allows you to buy like one item. I can't really buy a bundle unless you make an offer. I think when you make an offer to people, you can like offer them like, let's say offer them 10 Matic for like 10 energy. Um, but yeah, but when you buy it directly, it only lets me buy like one item per time. So I'm gonna confirm it right here in my MetaMask wallet. Okay, done. We can just X on this and we can check later. We can check our energy later on our profile. Now, I wanted to buy 5, right? So let's buy 4 more. So I'm gonna add it to my cart again. And then complete purchase. Um, okay, so let's just confirm it. Okay, now it's loading. Good. Okay. Okay, hi guys. So I kind of just like rushed through buying 6 of the energy, so I kinda paused it and just bought the other energy that I had to because I didn't wanna make the video too long. So I finally finished buying them, and now let's go to my profile, right? So to check if it's there, and yeah, it's there. So right here it says times 6, we have 6 energy that we bought. So per each energy, it costs 0.66 cents, right? And if you times that by 6, that's $3.96. Okay. So there, we've successfully bought energy, and we've learned how to swap a token to a different token using your MetaMask in order to buy NFTs and assets in the OpenSea. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions or concerns or anything you want to ask, feel free to type in a comment down below. That's it. And subscribe to our channel for more videos. And oh yeah, click the notification bell, and also feel free to like for more videos. So